Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And that is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. And I am playing with ghost swipes. So I'm going to give myself some paint to cover the canvas with that will help other paint move more readily. I'm going to try not to worry about my edges yet. I say that, but you know I'm bad at it if you've been here before. Not as bad as I am about leaving bottles in my way though. And I'll probably need that again in a minute anyway. Probably very soon, in fact. Because I definitely don't know what I was thinking. The last swipe I did, I left an area in the middle. And I put the white metallic from Anita's in there and used it as a base. And it did disappear, which is what I expected. I guess paint flows to paint, so it didn't hurt anything. It just didn't help anything either. Not sure what I'm going to do, but I got an idea, and that's all that I need to start with. I'm going to do my black base. I've got my black enamel acrylic, which causes cells beautifully usually. I'm going to knock the paint on my spatula off, and then quick like a bunny, at least wipe one side in, if not more, with my fingers. Because it's a start, right? It is what it is. Now, I can see I left my purple flash from folk art over here, and I think I did that because I want to use it very badly to play with, and I'm going to make sure it's completely unplugged before I do anything with it. And I want to put some enamel at the bottom of this canvas as well as at the top, but I think the top is going to go right there. I'm going to put my enamel over that. I'm going to need some more paint up there. This could be crazy. This may work. I'm not sure what's going to happen actually. I am sure that I need another clean spatula. And I've got a little dish to scrape my stuff off into. I think I'm going to move my turntable. I want to go both directions. Yes, I want to do that. So I'm going to use a little swipe card to start with. I'm going to wipe that paint right off on the edge for right now. That's a color shift, so that's why it looks blue. If you can see that blue, it's beautiful. Just wanted to go up from the bottom for a long time now. Not sure I can get away with this, but I'm willing to try. And eventually, I expect to have some paint I can wipe down over the edges. Now is not a bad time to use that up. So here goes nothing. I want to go up and down. Let me go down. Let me go up. Down. Up. Down. Up. I'll wipe that right off there. Down. Up. I'm going to still trying to remember to wipe off my card so I get that paint off and I can use it on my bottom edge. Down. Use your paint. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time remembering to do that. It's unusual. So I got some funky shapes there. That was a pretty simple process. If I use my residuals up at the top, I might not have to cover as much of that black canvas. Still looks a lot like flames, but I don't mind flames. I always did like fire as a child. I don't think I ever lit anything on fire after that accident in the bathroom with the heater in the wall. Can't believe I just told you guys that. Wasn't my fault. Somebody left a towel in front of it. Fortunately, the house didn't burn down, which is really good. So what should I do with that? Anything? That was probably not the thing that I would have decided to do had I thought it was going to leave a track of canvas. So if I'm going to do that again, big if, I'm just going to let the skewer pick up whatever it wants to pick up. I'm going to look at my bottom edge. I'm going to drag ever so gently and try and stay in areas where the paint is heavy. I'm also going to grab a little more black to cover this edge on this top. This is a really simple swipe. You don't have to get super complicated. You just have to use colors you like, and if you can lay your hands on some of that purple flash from Folk Art, you're styling, is what I think. So I'm going to torch. I'm going to look one more time because I tend to want to work upside down, and it's not a good idea in my opinion. So I got some cells at the bottom, which is what I wanted, and if I had some green, this would remind me of some kind of undersea grasses blowing in the current. But I guess I could still call it undersea grasses. Just dragging ever so slightly. Well, I kind of actually liked that mark before I did that. So I'm going to torch to release the bubbles in the paint. I'm going to tell you guys that I do sell my artwork. I appreciate your thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching my playlists of over 1,360 videos that you can find on created playlists under all playlists on my channel. You can also find the PayPal and Patreon icons. If you are interested in being in the monthly drawing, you can see the prizes on the end screens of any video. I need some black on my top. In the last 20 seconds of that video. I got something weird down there. Looks like a fingerprint. So I like the fact that most of that canvas is not showing anymore, just by tapping my finger in there. And I am just gently pushing that skewer up there. Now I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I think there are often fewer bubbles caught in the paint when you're swiping. This is a super simple, sleek, chic piece. This might even look good on leggings or a t-shirt. Leggings, yeah. I have Teespring leggings and Oliver print t-shirts, and you can see them below the video on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Priscilla Batzell, or you could visit me and find the link under the link tree if you happen to be on Phoenix Rising Priscilla Batzell Art, which I thought was going to work, but probably not. But there are no commercials there, so it's still a very cool place to visit. Don't play with your painting after you torch. In any case, I love you guys greatly. There's 86,770 of you. That was like 20 minutes ago. You never know. Shop my Amazon link. It's at no cost to you, and it helps me out eventually. Underneath the link tree, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter links. Underneath the video, description of my paint pouring recipe. On the link tree again, my website, and a Google My Business review. If you want to leave me a nice review, that would be awesome. What am I forgetting? I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Now that lockdown is over, we can get back to work again, and that would be lovely to see you guys whenever you're brave enough to do that. I'm well and healthy and have remained so And I hope the same is true for you. I hope you guys take care of each other and take care of yourselves and stay out of trouble as best you can. I will see you anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying thank you for the wonderful comments and thank you for the donations that have kept me painting all this time. I love you guys so much and appreciate you endlessly. Bye for now. Priscilla out.